Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a super rare 2017 Pete 389 factory built glider kit. 3406, 550 cat, 13 speed, 14s and 46s, full lockers, wet kit, only 176,000 miles. I've gotten hot this afternoon, gonna do a full walk around, show you what we got here. Let's get started. Southern truck, extremely clean. Will not find another truck like this today. Not with these miles and these specs. To have 46s, to have the 3406 cat, have the wet kit already installed. Robot's great. Nicely upfitted with the headache rack and wet kit. Got the blockable fifth wheel there, really nice. Air track suspension. Brakes are good, all aluminums. This does have the air track sleeve where it's doubled from right there in the back. It stops right there if you're not familiar with the air track. Most all of your 46s, actually I've never seen one without it. We'll sleeve it just in front of the tandems there. Super clean on the inside. Tell somebody took really good care of this one. You got some extra gauges. There's your lockers. Guys, just not a whole lot to complain about on this one. Showing you the blow-by. Great low side oil pressure. Super smooth to the RPMs, responds perfectly on the oil pressure side. You have to, if you're a truck enthusiast, you have to be in love with an old cat. Well, there we have it, guys. If you got questions on this one or anything else, please feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.